All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're watching 777 Television, your home for everything Matrix Encryption, and I'm your host, Cryptic Creations. We'd like to thank you for sharing your time with us today, and we'd like to share with you the story of Matrix Encryption. Matrix Encryption is a startup software company that offers encryption products and services based on patented symmetric key encryption technology. This is a legitimate business. I currently have no employees, and apart from a freelance programmer I retain to help me with some of the heavier lifting, I have built my company and my website alone from scratch with publicly available resources, serving in every capacity my company has required, and it's challenging trying to turn your dream into something viable. Summarizing an entire saga in itself, between the fall of 2017 and the summer of 2018, I came up with a novel pair of discrete functions, with the property, among others, that the inverse function cannot be algebraically derived from the original function. I then conceived to find a real-world application for this wonderful abstract discovery, and pretty early on zeroed in on cryptography. Summarizing another saga, I would go on to learn Python during the COVID era 2019 to 20, while teaching English in Thailand. I programmed some of the prototype for the core algorithm there, and then came back to the States and really cracked the code, solving the remaining puzzle pieces of algorithm scalability, particularly how the inverse function is implemented and proper key implementation. And then I put together a patent application without a patent attorney. While most applications are rejected and must be amended and appealed with bated breath, my patent was awarded the first time around on October 3rd, 2023, and is designated as U.S. Patent Number 11777714. I formed an LLC and launched my website at the domain name, not HTTP, but HTTPS, which stands for secure, //matrixencryption.com, where we began offering a 1-month free trial, still available today, of our patented encryption service. At first, the website had lots of issues and minimal usability, but through months of brainstorming, talking with ChatGPT, and testing and implementing various phases of development, Matrix Encryption has matured into a form now ready for the early bird phase of mass-scale adoption and brand and community building. It's not practical or even prudent to try and mention all the software improvements we've made, but essentially we have built a registration and login system that encases a user-friendly interface that allows you to securely and reliably try out our service. It's plain text, and you can download encrypted and decrypted data you create from the site to your device. Currently, your best layout is going to be on desktop. We don't yet have a mobile app. Also, we don't have a KYC system for user verification, neither do we currently distinguish between personal and business accounts, and so you can expect our system to be updated soon in anticipation of compliance with any regulations and laws that may have jurisdiction. So, our business model is both service and product-based. We'll be developing paid service functionality in the near future. Today, we have 4 software products available for download from our products page. With secure payment services provided by PayPal, these downloads are zip files containing your executable programs, together with a few ancillaries. We spend a good deal of quality time constructing our product brochures, so if you have any questions after reading any of them, don't hesitate to reach out. These programs should run well on your computer, and you'll be able to blow the doors off the data cap imposed on the web service of 300 maximum characters. We encourage you to check out all of our products and to be advised that several additional improved products have yet to become available for purchase, including versions with file encryption capabilities, not just for plain text. Now it's time to take a moment to talk about the context, the value proposition of matrix encryption, and what it means for you. The context is that the very origin of computer technology is steeped in war, cryptography, and espionage. The Allies desired greatly to decipher the German Enigma code through any means necessary, and early computer systems, under the guidance and genius of men like Alan Turing, were developed to greatly speed up vital calculations. Today, encryption is so deeply integrated into public life that the average citizen rarely, if ever, realizes that they use encryption on a daily basis, any more than they tend to ponder the enigmatic origins of computer systems. Over the years, encryption has become something that was made safe and sanitized for public use, with something called end-to-end encryption that encrypts user data in transit and then automatically decrypts it for the recipient, relegating encryption to something that is almost entirely out of sight, out of mind. This is convenient, but the cost is personal autonomy and the trust of a third party. Matrix encryption trusts you, puts the keys in your hands, giving you, the user, the power to protect your own data. Not as a replacement to the systems in place, but as a powerful supplement to them, as well as a learning tool for students and as a potential wealth generator for future investors in matrix encryption. We want to help reshape the culture of encryption into one that is hands-on, interactive, effective, and fun. Finally, with all that has been previously stated in mind, I'd like to share with you just a glimpse of the grand integrated vision of matrix encryption. I see a thriving user base with a forum and native games, and with subscribers using various tiers of our recurring online service. I see customers purchasing our software products in significant numbers. I see customers buying our merchandise, including our custom codex card decks and clothing and other apparel printed or stitched with our logo. And what's more, we will mint our own cryptocurrency, a native utility token that will be distributed to subscribers each month at a rate dependent on the subscriber's tier level. The tokens will accrue in your user wallet, and you'll be able to apply them to future subscription purchases as partial replacement of USD. Our full tokenomic theory will be made available in the near future. We'll eventually get our cryptocurrency listed on exchanges, and lucrative opportunities may present themselves. Of course, this is not financial advice. Our crypto will be exchangeable between users through the forum, and the creme de la creme of our cryptocurrency integration will be the utilization of user avatars. NFT avatars will be distributed to our top-tier lifetime subscribers, as we will be minting 777 limited edition Matrix Encryption NFTs, artistic theme to be assigned. In 3 tiers, we will have 700 common, 70 rare, and 7 unique. When a user purchases a lifetime subscription, they will not only get lifetime access to our online service, together with a generous portion of our cryptocurrency, but also they will receive one of 777 of these limited edition NFTs randomly distributed. Only 777 lifetime memberships and NFTs will ever be available. These NFTs will be tradable and sellable for our cryptocurrency with other users through the forum. If any of this sounds exciting or overwhelming, stick around. The fun is just getting started.